Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today is day 8 of NEWvember. I'm going to share with you the kinds of food I eat on the WW program. So if you'd like to see what I eat in the day for my NEWvember accountability, be sure to watch this video. For breakfast this morning, I'm having a sandwich. I'm using a 2-point English muffin. It's a light one from Thomas's. I have 1-point turkey sausage patty from Butterball and a 1-point piece of Velveeta cheese. So that sandwich is 4 points. It's really good. And then I also had my 1-point iced coffee. Here's today's lunch. I'm having a sandwich with turkey bologna, and the turkey bologna is 2 points for 3 slices. And then I have the 2 pieces of Sara Lee Delightful Bread for 2 points. And I have 2 points worth of Poppables and a pear. So that lunch is 6 points. So tonight we are going to Olive Garden for dinner. And I looked up the points ahead of time and tracked it with the grilled chicken margarita, which is 9 points for the meal. I started it off with a salad for 4 points according to the WW app, and I did not have a roll, so that was good for me. And then the dinner was the 2 pieces of grilled chicken with tomato and a side of broccoli, and that meal was 13 points. I also had one of the Andes mints for 1 point. I found some of this NYX Rocky Ford light ice cream. I am trying it. This is 5 points for 2/3 of a cup and 1 point worth of light Cool Whip. So that is my dessert / snack tonight. There's lighter versions of this, but this is the first one I'm trying since I had some points left. So I ended the day using 30 points. I did not get much steps in, only a couple thousand. And also my water was short. I only drank 48 ounces of water. Now I really got to step up that. If you like this kind of video, doing the day by day for the NEWvember challenge, please comment below. Or if you'd rather just have my regular what I eat in a day videos and the other videos a couple times a week, just let me know below. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.